9 best foods and drinks to have before bed. Getting good sleep is incredibly important for your overall health. It may reduce your risk of developing certain chronic illnesses, keep your brain healthy, and boost your immune system. It is generally recommended that you get between 7 and 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night, though many people struggle to get enough. There are many ways you can use to promote good sleep, including making changes to your diet. Add some food and drinks have sleep promoting properties. Here are the 9 best foods and drinks you can have before bed to enhance your quality of sleep. Number 1. Almonds. Almonds are type of tree nut with many health benefits. Eating almond regularly has been associated with lower risk of few chronic diseases such as type 2 diabetes and heart disease. This is attributed to their healthy monounsaturated fat, fiber, and antioxidants. Almonds are also an excellent source of magnesium, providing 90% of your daily needs in only 1 ounce. Consuming adequate amount of magnesium may help improve sleep quality, especially for those who have insomnia. Magnesium role is promoting sleep is thought to be related to its ability to reduce inflammation. Antioxidant may protect your cell from harmful inflammation that can lead to these chronic diseases. Almonds are a source of melatonin and the sleep enhancing mineral magnesium, two properties that make them a great food to eat before bed. If you want to eat almond before bed to determine if they affect your sleep quality, a 1 ounce 28-gram serving or about a handful should be adequate. Number 2. Turkey. Turkey is a delicious and nutritious. It is high in protein, with roasted turkey providing almost 8 grams of protein per ounce 28 grams. Protein is important for keeping your muscles strong and regulating your appetite. Additionally, turkey is a modest source of a few vitamins and minerals such as riboflavin and phosphorus. It is an excellent source of selenium with a 3-ounce serving providing 56% of our daily value DV. Turkey has a few properties that explain why some people become tired after eating it or think it encourages sleepiness. Most notably, it contains the amino acid tryptophan, which increases the production of melatonin. The protein in turkey may also contribute to its ability to promote tiredness. There's evidence that consuming moderate amount of protein before bed is associated with better sleep quality, including less waking up throughout the night. Number 3. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea contains antioxidants that may promote sleepiness, and drinking it has been shown to improve overall sleep quality. Number 4. Kiwi. Kiwi are a low-calorie and very nutritious fruit. One fruit contains only 42 calories and a significant amount of nutrients, including 71% of the DV for vitamin C. It provides men and women with 23% and 31% respectively of the vitamin K they need each day. It contains a decent amount of folate and potassium as well as several trace minerals. Furthermore, eating kiwi may benefit your digestive health, reduce inflammation, and lower your cholesterol. These effects are due to the high amount of fiber and carotenoid antioxidant they provide. Number 5. Tart cherry juice. Tart cherry juice has some impressive health benefits. First, it provides modest amount of the few important nutrients such as magnesium and phosphorus. It is good source of potassium too. An 8 ounces 240 millimeter serving contains 17% of the potassium a woman needs each day and 13% of the potassium that a man needs each day. Additionally, it is rich source of antioxidants including anthocyanin and flavonols. Tart cherry juice is also known to promote sleepiness and it's even been studied for its role in relieving insomnia. For these reasons, drinking tart cherry juice before bed may improve your sleep quality. The sleep promoting effect of tart cherry juice are due to its high amount of melatonin. Nevertheless, drinking some tart cherry juice before bed is worth a try if you struggle with falling or staying asleep at night. Number 6. Fatty fish. Fatty fish are a great source of vitamin D and omega 3 fatty acid, both of which have properties that may improve the quality of your sleep. Number 7. Walnuts. Walnuts have a few properties that may promote better sleep. For instance, they are great source of melatonin and healthy fats. Number 8. Passion flower tea. Passion flower tea is another herbal tea that's been traditionally used to treat a number of health ailments. Its rich source of flavonoids, antioxidants. Flavonoid antioxidants are known for their role in reducing inflammation, boosting immune health, and reducing heart disease risk. The calming properties of passion flower tea may promote sleepiness, so it may be beneficial to drink it before going to bed. In a 7-day study, 41 adults drank a cup of passion flower tea before bed. They rated their sleep quality significantly better when they drank the tea compared to when they didn't drink tea. Number 9. White rice. White rice is a grain that's widely consumed as a staple food in many countries. The major difference between white and brown rice is that white rice has had its bran and germs removed. This makes it lower in fiber, nutrients, and antioxidants. Nevertheless, white rice still contains a decent amount of a few vitamins and minerals. A 4 ounce 79-gram serving of white rice provides 90% of your daily needs for folate. It also provides 21% of the daily thiamine needs for men and 22% of the daily thiamine needs for women. A 4 ounce 79-gram serving of long grain white rice contains 13% of your DV for manganese. White rice is high in carbs, providing 22 grams in a 4 ounce serving. Its carbs content and lack of fiber contribute to its high glycemic index. It's been suggested that eating food with a high GI, such as white rice, at least 1 hour before bed may help improve sleep quality. Despite the potential role that eating white rice may have in promoting sleep, it's best consumed in moderation due to its comparative low amount of fiber and nutrients. Other foods and drinks that may promote sleep. Other food and drinks such as dairy products, bananas, and oatmeals also contain nutrients known to improve sleep quality. Specific research into their effect on sleep may be limited, though. Getting enough sleep is very important for your health. Several foods and drinks may help. This is because they contain sleep regulating hormones and brain chemicals such as melatonin and serotonin. Some foods and drinks contain high amount of specific antioxidants and nutrients such as magnesium and melatonin that are known to enhance sleep by helping you fall asleep faster or stay asleep longer. To reap the benefits of sleep enhancing foods and drinks, it may be best to consume them 2 to 3 hours before bed. Eating immediately before going to sleep may cause digestive issues such as acidic reflux. Overall, More research is necessary to conclude the specific role that foods and drink have in promoting sleep, but their known effects are very promising. Thanks for watching.